Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles tasty. The secret to delicious waffles begins with fresh, high-quality ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, large eggs, whole milk, and unsalted butter. For that perfect rise and crisp texture, baking powder or baking soda is crucial. Don't forget a little sugar to help with browning and add a delightful sweetness. These basic elements are your first step to waffle perfection. Now let's talk about mixing. The key here is gentle handling. Do not overmix your batter. A few small lumps are actually a good sign. Overmixing develops the gluten in the flour, which can result in tough, chewy waffles instead of light and airy ones. After mixing, let your batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief rest allows the flour to fully hydrate, ensuring a more tender and flavorful waffle. Getting that perfect crisp exterior is all about your waffle iron. Always preheat it thoroughly before adding any batter. This ensures even cooking and a beautiful golden crust. Even with a non-stick iron, a light brush of oil or butter can enhance crispness. Be careful not to overfill the iron. About 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter is usually sufficient for a standard iron. Cook until the waffles are golden brown and steam stops escaping. To truly elevate your waffles, consider some flavor enhancements. A teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon can add wonderful aromatic depth. For a tangier, richer taste, try using buttermilk in your recipe. Serve your delicious creations immediately with warm maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. For a unique twist, explore savory options like crispy fried chicken or bacon. Enjoy your perfectly tasty waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.